want to take this trim off, I'm just going to use a couple trim tools. Get under here. There's some clips underneath here. You could pop them out like that. Here's where all those clips are. So they're going to pop outwards. I'm going to take these screws out. I'm going to use a T20 socket. And I'll just take the trim tool, get underneath here, just break the seal. That's good. Underneath here, there is a clip. If you take a right angle tool or a pick tool, try to get underneath it. I'll show you how you pry it out, like right there basically. Just want to push up on that. Then you should be able to slide the whole lens assembly out. There is a clip on top as well. But once you get the bottom one out, it should slide out. Disconnect the connector, push down on the lock tab right here. And slide it out. With the new light assembly, it's a good idea to replace these bulbs. Generally, these are test bulbs, so just take that out, twist it out, and then grab the bulb, twist to the left, and slide it out. You can swap the bulbs from your old lights or just install new ones. And just twist it back in place. This one, because this is an upgraded lens, this is a clear lens, this has to be an amber bulb. So that's different than our old one. Lock it in place. Twist it back and install the light. Line the connector up. Lock it in place. I'm going to slide the bottom part of the light in first. And when it's lined up, push it in, take the screws, install the screws. I'll get them all started first. Make sure they all line up. Snug it down. That's good. Take the trim piece, just line it up. And lock it in place.